Okay, for this project, you're gonna need a glass container. You're gonna need a sheet of foamy with glitter. And you're gonna have to print on your computer some Minion eyes. You're gonna need a noodle of foam noodle, a glue gun, yellow shredded paper, blue shredded paper, a ribbon. This is a 1-inch ribbon. Okay, so this is how I do this centerpiece. This is to hold this so it doesn't move around. It stays steady on the centerpiece. Okay, I cut them about 2 inches. I cut it in half because if you put it like that, it's gonna be too stuffed. It's not gonna let you put the rest of the shredder paper. So I cut it in half. I get some shredder paper, wrap it around, okay, put it inside, and make sure you don't see the noodle. Then you put more, okay. When everything's nice, you don't see the noodle nowhere, then you get your yellow and you stick it in there. Okay? After that, you get you put glue here and you glue it right about there. Then you're gonna put glue in the middle so the ribbon doesn't move around. You pull it. Then you're gonna put some glue right here in the glass. You pull it. And for last, you're gonna put some glue right in here. And okay. Now, so we don't see this part on the centerpiece when it's on the table decorated. That's where we're gonna put our eye, right there. But first, we're gonna glue this, and this I printed out with cardstock paper, white cardstock paper. So you put your eye right here. Then you're gonna glue your eye right here. You put glue all around the eye. Oh my gosh. And you now you get to choose. Later I'm going to make a video on these. You see we have that one, this one, or this one. Whichever you like better, you put it in here. And that's your Minion centerpiece. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel